Technology and livelihood education. Food preparation. Week 10. Our topic is Conceptualize business ideas in baking. Review of the previous lesson. Directions. Complete the table by writing the leavening agent, rising time, dough, batter, and example of yeast bread and quick bread. If you were running small bakery and needed bread that could be prepared and served quickly, which type would you choose? And why? Here is the answer. For yeast bread. Leavening agent is yeast, requires time to rise is 1 to 2 hours or more. The dough is usually kneaded and allowed to rise. Examples are pandesal and loaf bread. The quick bread has baking powder or baking soda, no rising time needed. Examples are banana bread, muffins, and biscuits. Unlocking content vocabulary. Directions. Complete the following terms by supplying the correct letters. Trends is the current and future patterns or developments that influence a market or industry. Price, amount of money expected, required, or given in payment for something. Threats, external factors or challenges that could potentially harm or negatively impact a business. Marketing activities aimed at promoting and selling products or services, including advertising, branding, and market research. Business plan, a formal document outlining the goals, strategies, and financial projections. Understanding business concepts in baking. I am Bakerman. Directions. What do you think are the essential attitudes or desirable characteristics of a successful businessman in baking? Think of words that would best correspond to the initials of the letters in the word, Bakerman. The following are the characteristics or traits that the baker should possess to be a successful bakerman. B for balanced, manages time, cost and quality well. A for attentive, pays attention to details and customer needs. K for knowledgeable, always learns and improves baking skills. E for ethical, honest in dealing with customers and suppliers. R is for reliable, delivers quality products on time and every time. M is for motivated, has passion and works hard to achieve goals. A for adaptable, adjusts to changes and new baking trends. And N for nurturing, cares for people and builds good relationships. Having personal entrepreneurial characteristics is crucial in the world of business, and it sets the foundation for success and growth. The key entrepreneurial characteristics of a businessman are goal-oriented, sets clear goals and works hard to achieve them. Creative, finds new ideas and innovative solutions. Determined, perseveres and never gives up easily. Responsible, makes wise decisions and takes ownership. Adaptable, adjusts to changes, challenges. Passionate, loves what they do. Baking students can be able of becoming successful business owners, applying what they learn in real-life situations, managing their own baking business with confidence, making a positive impact in their community. If you persevere and apply the topics that you learned in this lesson, you can bake your dreams into a successful future. Conceptualize business ideas in baking. Baking is not only about creating delicious products, it can also become a profitable business opportunity. Conceptualizing a business idea in baking means developing a clear plan for what products to offer, who the customers are, how much to charge, and how to promote the business. By combining creativity, baking skills, market knowledge, and entrepreneurial characteristics, baking students can turn their ideas and passion into a successful business venture. The following are the business types in baking. Bakery cafe, this is where customers can enjoy freshly baked goods on site. Online bakery, this explores the model of selling baked goods online, through a website or social media platforms. Wholesale bakery, this explains how wholesale bakeries supply products to restaurants, cafeterias, and other businesses. The market research. The market research in a baking business is the process of gathering information about customers, competitors, products, prices, and market trends. It helps a baker understand what customers want and identify the best products, prices, and strategies to make the business successful. We need to do research on the following. A. Customer needs. It emphasizes the significance of understanding customer preferences. Consider offering allergy-friendly options, catering to specialty diets, e.g., gluten-free, vegan, and providing personalized experiences. It answers the question, how can a bakery meet specific customer needs? B. Market trends. This allows you to identify the trends in the baking industry. This answers the questions, what flavors, ingredients, or styles are currently popular? How can a bakery adapt to these trends? Cost and pricing. Costs and pricing. The ingredient costs, breaking down the cost of ingredients, flour, sugar, butter among others, and discussing sourcing options like local versus imported is very essential in business. Overhead costs. This includes expenses like rent, utilities, equipment maintenance, and staff salaries. Why it matters. Understanding overhead costs helps in setting the right pricing to ensure your bakery remains profitable and sustainable after paying all of the overhead expenses. Pricing strategies refer to the processes and methods businesses use to set prices for their products and services. Common pricing strategies are: cost plus pricing, add a markup to the total cost of production; competitive pricing, set prices based on what competitors charge; value-based pricing, price based on the value customers perceive; penetration pricing, set lower prices initially to attract more customers; premium pricing, set higher prices to reflect high quality and exclusivity. Why it matters. The right pricing strategy helps attract customers, cover costs, and maximizing profit while staying competitive in the market. The food marketing trends and strategies. Food marketing trends and strategies. Staying informed about industry trends and adapting your strategies accordingly is crucial for success. 1. Public relations. Trust is critical in the food industry. Building relationships helps tell your brand story and enhance credibility. Consumers are increasingly conscious of what they eat, so effective engagement with customers can enhance your reputation. 2. Social media marketing. Hashtags. Use relevant hashtags on platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Engagement. Interact with followers, share user-generated content, and run contests to engage your audience. Visual content. Post mouth-watering food photos and videos to entice potential customers. 3. Packaging. Invest in appealing packaging. Colors, design, and logos significantly impact consumer perception. Your product should stand out on the shelves. Why it matters. Great packaging attracts attention, builds brand identity, and influences purchasing decisions. SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. It's a structured planning method used to assess and understand both internal and external factors that may impact an organization, project, or business venture. Why it matters. SWOT analysis helps in making informed decisions, setting strategies, and planning for future success. S for strengths. These describe what an organization excels at and what sets it apart from competitors. Examples include a strong brand, loyal customer base, stable financial source, or unique technology. W for weaknesses. These are internal factors that hinder an organization's performance. Identifying weaknesses helps address areas for improvement, such as inefficient processes or lack of resources. O for opportunities. External factors that an organization can capitalize on. These might include market trends, emerging technologies, or new customer segments or groups. Examples includes market trends, growing demand for healthy and sustainable food options, emerging technologies, adopting new tools and digital platforms to improve efficiency and reach, and new customer segments, expanding to new demographics or untapped markets. T for threats: external factors that pose risks to the organization. Threats could be competition, economic downturns, or regulatory changes. Example includes competition, new or existing competitors offering similar products or services. Economic downturns, recessions, inflation, or reduced consumer spending can impact revenue. Regulatory changes, new laws or regulations that increase compliance costs or restrict operation. Changing market trends. Shifts in customers' preferences. Conceptualize business ideas in baking. Conceptualizing a baking business means turning a baking idea into a clear and workable business plan. A successful baker entrepreneur understands customer needs, studies the market, chooses suitable products and prices, and develops effective marketing strategies. With creativity, determination, proper planning, and entrepreneurial skills, baking students can turn their passion for baking into a successful and sustainable business. Group work, SWOT analysis. Read the directions carefully. My baking business concept, directions. Create a business idea for a baking venture, including the type of product, target market, pricing, and marketing plan. Apply creativity, entrepreneurship, and recipe knowledge in a real-world context.
This is Dr. Mylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Teacher Mylene. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.